Welcome to a new course of AI illustration and AI art. This is going to be the first class of this course where I'm going to be showing you about the introduction to Canva and AI art. Now, before getting into our whole lesson or our whole class, we have to learn a bit about what these softwares are and how these AI arts are generated from each and every one of these platforms. So for this class or for this part and section, I'm going to be showing you about the introduction to Canva and AI art. Canva is a popular graphic design platform used to create a wide variety of visual content, such as social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual designs. It provides an easy to use drag and drop interface along with a vast library of templates, images, icons, and fonts. Here's a brief overview of its feature and uses. User-friendly interface. Canva is designed for users with little to no graphic design experience. The drag and drop functionality makes it easy to create professional-looking designs quickly. Template. Canva offers thousands of pre-designed templates for various purposes, including social media posts, presentation, business cards, flyers, and more. These templates can be customized to fit your needs. Elements and assets. Canva provides access to a large library of elements such as photos, illustrations, icons, shapes, and more. Users can also upload their own images and elements. Text tools. Canva includes a wide range of fonts and text formatting tools, allowing users to add and customize text with their design. Collaboration. Canva allows multiple users to collaborate on a single design project, making it useful for team projects and group work. Export option. Completed designs can be exported in various formats such as PNG, JPEG, PDF, and more. Canva also supports printing services directly from the platform. AI art refers to art generated with the assistance of artificial intelligence AI. This can include painting, music, poetry, and other forms of creative expression. AI art leverages machine learning algorithms, particularly neural networks, to create or enhance artistic works. Here's a brief overview of AI art and how it works. Generative Adversarial Networks, GANs. GANs are a class of machine learning frameworks where two neural networks, a generator and a discriminator, are pitted against each other. The generator creates new images while the discriminator evaluates them for authenticity. Over time, this process can produce highly realistic images. Style transfer. This technique involves transferring the style of one image, like an example, a famous painting, to another image. Neural networks analyze the content and style of both images and merge them together to create a new image. Deep learning. AI often uses deep learning techniques to analyze and replicate artistic style. By training on large datasets of artwork, neural networks learn to generate new pieces that mimic specific style or create entirely new ones. Applications. AI art has been used in various fields such as digital art, advertising, fashion, and even in the creation of new music. It can assist artists by providing inspiration, generation initial concept, or creating complex patterns and design. Ethical consideration. The rise of AI art has sparked discussion about creativity, ownership, and the role of human artists. Questions about the originality of AI-generated art and the potential impact on traditional art forms are central to these debates. Combining Canva and AI art. Combining the ease of use of Canva with the innovative possibilities of AI art can empower users to create unique and professional designs. Here's how they can be integrated. Incorporating AI-generated images, users can generate AI art using tools like GANs or style transfer and then import these images into Canva to use in their design. AI design suggestion. Canva can incorporate AI to suggest design elements, layouts, or color schemes based on user preferences and content of the project. Automated enhancement. AI can be used to automatically enhance images, improve composition, and suggest edits, making the design process more efficient. By leveraging the capabilities of AI art within platforms like Canva, users can push the boundary of creativity and produce visually stunning content with minimal effort. Now, in our next class, we're going to start off with the basic of Canva. And in this class, make sure not to skip any part because there's a lot of things to learn. Okay. So hope you understood about everything in this class. So without any further ado, let's move on to our next class of AI art generation.